there's an offer. We are giving an offer of free refresher course. Kwa majina naitwa Edith Kananu aka Madam Remsef. Leo nimekuja na offer ya June. Tunapoingia June, we are giving back to our students, and I have an offer to any student who has ever trained at Remsef Training and Driving School. We are giving you an offer, and also those who participated or who awarded the Skills Mtaani program benefited from the program. Bamburi, Mkomani, Chaani, Mikindani and Mtopanga. There's an offer. We are giving an offer of free refresher course. So long as you train with Remsef and you've acquired a driving license na unahitaji mazoezi, na kupatia mazoezi ya tarehe 3, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There's an offer I'm giving from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Those 2 hours I've dedicated to my students. Whoever wants a refresher course, na uko na driving license. Qualification ya hii ni ukwe our student, you've ever trained at Remsef in any of the branches, na ukuje na driving license kuonyesha umemaliza process yote mpaka umepata leseni. Work in our Bombolulu branch from Tuesday to Thursday. Niko na hiyo free offer to our students. Karibuni na mjue Remsef ni shule ya watu wote, and I'll continue giving out these refresher courses as we go by, because most of our students wakisha soma before they acquire their vehicles ama wapate practice wanakaa for long. So we'll be giving this. Keep watching our social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Utakutana na hizi video zetu, and you'll be passing by our school to get these offers. Karibuni sana Remsef Training and Driving School, shule ya watu wote. I'm yours, Madam Remsef, nawapenda sana.